Hey,
Hi. Thank you. I'm going to give you that. And then you are all set, so you have fun.
Thank you, you too. It is a little after lunchtime, and we are having the time of our life at the Palmetto State Armory, The Gathering. All right.
We started with PCC, our version of braces and stocks. But this is our newest release. It's our PDX SD. It's a suppressed pin and well barrel, two-step gun. So 5.56. You're in the low 130s for decibel rating with that gun.
Wow.
MSRP on that's $34.95. The other kind of hot item for us now is our new 15 light. So as you see, it's the way it ships. All the full hardware on there. $14.95 MSRP. Blackout defense trigger. Shock brace barrel. Comes with the MBUS sight. 3 colors. This is our bazooka green. We do it in titanium. We do it in arid, and we do it in black as well.
That's nice.
Be there with the camera.
That's nice.
Again, Max and Defense, this is our PDX. This is the gun that started it all for us.
Yeah.
It's our 5.5-inch barrel system. That's an SBR. Got our buttstock on there. Rapid deploy. Grip and rip. That's a great feature. We do our line of suppressors as well. The suppressor line started with the 240 Bravo can. Runs a full auto belt fed. Low 130s for decibel rating on that can. Roll into our DSX line. We're doing a 5.56. We're doing a 300 blackout and 7.62 by 30. So we have a 30 caliber can in that. It's a 3-piece design. Monocore, easy to clean, fully user serviceable, great feature. Tube, core, and the mount. We can replace the components separately if need be. Max and Defense. Check us out, maxandefense.com. 2, 4. Three-piece monocore. So this has a
Over here at the Trigicon setup, they are using CERT pistols to show off all of their optics.
Collects ambient light. So not only do you have that, you also have that.
What's up, man? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Doing all right.
Man, I couldn't catch you yesterday. I'm glad I ran into you
Let's
today.
snap it up. Let's make it official. You heard
All
me?
right. You mind if I do like a quick little video
let's
clip?
do it.
All right. What's up, y'all? Finally ran into Black Rambo. You
what's
already
up,
know it
boy. You look like you ready to shoot.
Already know.
You look like she ready to
Already
shoot,
know.
girl.
Already know.
Yeah, we turned up out your rim was on deck, baby.
Yeah, you already know.
Where you at though?
I'm
where
in.
you at? No, where you at?
Where y'all at?
Where y'all at?
at?
Man, y'all missing.
We both then drove down. You know what I'm
we
saying?
on point.
DMV in the house. Black 2A shooters in the house. Make sure y'all follow my man Black Rambo.
Yeah.
Get that content. Get the best thing to carry. Get the best thing to have next to your nightstand. You already know my man is gonna steer you in the right
And
direction.
guess what? Watch, I'm about to mess her head up right quick. I'm gonna be in DMV next week.
Let's go.
I got a party.
Let's get it.
Yeah,
Let's get
I'm
it.
gonna be there next week for real.
Let's get it.
Real one's on deck, baby.
Alrighty.
I gotta go run the pants. So come on, let me a little while.
Yeah. Where's the event y'all having next week?
I'm rapping at a club. Not even gonna do a gun.
Shit.
Me and Mark Chopper gotta go rap that song that we made.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. That's right. That's what's up.
Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty dope. You should come out, man. I get you in the club.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna post it probably this week. I don't know when it comes,
Okay.
but I'm gonna post it this week.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Can I shoot the larger frame as well?
Yeah.
Yep, that one. Thank you. Yep. I like these. That's cool.
Feel pretty good?
Trigger's nice.
Yeah.
So on my yes. Oh, it's rubber. Hunting gun, that one over there. Hunting gun. It works just like a standard convention. You got a beard, you saw a bolt-back rifle before.
Sorry about that.
How'd it feel? Beautiful. You know you don't get a lot of that gas going back. Just a little bit, but just the normal stuff that you normally get. You see how Jimmy starts to get, I don't know how many rounds per shot. Enough. A lot. So it'll keep running. Is it piston then, Joe? Yeah, they're all long stroke piston, just like the all the line. That's the commonality across the whole PWS line. Okay. Long stroke piston. Okay. Because that's one thing I love about my Ruger 5.56, the SR 5.56 I use.
We're a soft goods company. We make soft bags, and we do anything and everything: pistol bags, rifle bags, a little bit of everything.
Oh wow!
So what we're doing today, if you follow us on social media, Facebook or Instagram,
okay,
you can take one of our pistol bags.
Oh, awesome! Sounds good.
It's got no recoil. It'll tell on you.
You want to shoot the suppressed little 22?
Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Thank you. Yep. Shoot this one right in. Oh wow, that's like, what the hell?
It's got no recoil. It'll tell on you.
There you go.
Wow.
Good job.
For those who don't know me, my name is Shane Coley. I'm the captain of Team Glock. I run basically everything related to our professional shooting team. So we shoot in USPSA, IDPA, IPSC, Steel Challenge, and we're able to travel around the world and compete for a living. The other side of the job that I get to do is I get to come out to events like this and help our sales staff do marketing events, and I get to talk to all of you, which makes my job even more awesome. I get to talk about the product, and I get to do demonstrations like this. So first and foremost, I want to thank all of you for coming out here. Thank all of you for being here, for supporting us, supporting the industry, and I hope today that I can put on a decent demo for all of you guys, and I hope all of y'all have a great time being out here today. So as a little layout of what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out with a couple of one-shots, then I'll go into some controlled pairs, then I'll do a build drill, which I'll explain once I get to that, and then I'll try some Al-Prezes, and essentially we'll see how fast we can get today. It's a little chilly, it's wet, so if anything messes up, we're just going to blame Todd. He was kind of in charge of setting all this stuff up, so if anything goes wrong, Todd's fault, not mine. Perfect. So, first things first, everybody eyes and ears, we are going to go hot. So I'm going to start with a couple of one-shots, and then we'll progress from there. And if I'm... paper targets this year.
0.85.
That's the laugh moment. So now we'll do 2 shots. 2 shots in the center.
Shooter ready. Stand by. 1, 2, 8. Can y'all hear me? Yeah. Shooter ready. Stand by. 1, 2, 1. Shooter ready. Stand by. 1, 3, 7.
That was a really bad grip. So I apologize.
You can't stop on that one.
I know.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 1, 0, 8.
I want to get under 1. Think I can get under 1?
Oh yeah. You can do it. Come on, man.
Shooter ready? Stand by. 1, 0, 4. One more time. You got it. Shooter ready. Stand by. 0.98.
Done.
2, 1, 2. Shooter ready. Stand by. 1, 9, 3. Go. 1, 7, 0.
Okay. That was
There's a polarized glasses.
there.
Shooter ready? Stand by. 175. Shooter ready? Stand by. 1, 5, 6.
Is 2 shots on each target. We're adding a transition. We still want to keep all the shots in the middle of the target, preferably right around the center box. But I also want the 6 shots on 3 separate targets to sound like that field drill just did. So you can't tell that I'm swapping targets or transitioning off the target. So ideally, it sounds like boom, 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 and you guys can't tell at all that I'm doing a transition. So we'll do that and try to keep roughly the same times that we had with the field drill. All right.
You ready? Stand by. 2.01. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 189. Don't worry about this. I'm from the state of Maryland. First time down here. Oh, what? And I said yes. For $40, you shoot all day long.
Yeah, can't beat that.
Not very good at shooting clays, but
Practice. And it's fun anyway.
oh yeah.
Alright, so we got our safety is here. I'll give it to you with it on. Just push it to turn it off.
Okay.
This is your bolt release, so I drop a shell in there and hit that button and
Okay.
it'll automatically load it in there. So we'll start with number 2 here. And
Okay.
this bird will just kind of go up and away.
Okay.
Just say pull whenever you're ready.
Sounds good.
And I will throw the bird for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, just drop that in there. Yep, nice job.
Alright. Pull. Oh shit, I hit it! Yeah!
Nice job.
Oh,
Nice
heck
job.
yeah, that's
All right.
a winner.
All right.
Sorry about that. With
Oh,
the
no
safety.
problem.